Hey, this is Eddie Green with Tier Level. Today we're going to talk about what to do if you want your 2019 sales to decline or fail. The first thing and first big mistake that everybody is going to make is by not having and utilizing the internet in the appropriate way. Let's face it, guys, the days of the yellow pages are gone. Everybody is looking towards the internet to find all the information that they need, from shopping all the way down to what business they're going to use. If you are not actively building your internet presence and building your search engine optimization, you are going to utterly fail. You can't rely on national accounts to be able to bring you to the table. You're going to have to be able to do this yourself. So you're going to need to get with a good company like ours that will get you your sales moving over the phone and through search engine optimization. The second thing is failing to plan. If you don't have a meeting leading off your year, your quarters, your things like that, setting strategic meetings to discuss your goals, objectives, culture, how you're going to get from point A to point B, and holding people accountable to execute those plans, then again, you're going to hear me say this over and over. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. And the last thing that you will potentially do to cause yourself to fail is not making the appropriate strategic hires. We all want to try to keep our costs down, and we want to make sure that we're operating on just a bare bones skeleton staff, and you're going to hit a wall if you're not willing to invest in the appropriate personnel, whether it's from the office side administratively or from the sales side. You have to pay people for what they're worth. And if you don't, if you're just looking to hire that kid fresh out of college, maybe that guy or girl is great, but they really don't have any proven track record. Go get salespeople that have produced results. Go get administrative staff that can get the job done. If you will put these three things into place, you're guaranteed to have a successful 2019. If you're not going to put those things into place, well, I don't have anything good for you. So thanks for watching.